Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV. Today we've got an exciting ride to check out, the 2026 Tesla Model 3. Tesla has always been a pioneer in electric vehicles, and with the 2026 iteration, the Model 3 continues to push boundaries with technology, performance, and style. From its futuristic exterior to its high-tech interior, this is a car that blends everyday practicality with cutting-edge innovation. Stick around because we're going deep into everything that makes this car unique, from how it looks and feels to how it drives and what it costs. Exterior. Starting with the front, the 2026 Model 3 has undergone subtle yet impactful changes that give it a sharper, more aggressive look. The sleek nose is completely devoid of a traditional grille, showcasing Tesla's commitment to aerodynamic efficiency. The headlights are slimmer than ever, featuring advanced LED matrix technology that not only improves visibility but also gives the car a distinctive, almost intelligent gaze on the road. The front bumper is sculpted with clean lines, directing airflow smoothly around the vehicle, enhancing both performance and efficiency. There's a certain minimalistic elegance here. Tesla has perfected the art of showing sophistication without overdoing it. Even the Tesla badge on the front feels like a statement of modern luxury. Moving along the side, the profile is where the 2026 Model 3 really shines. The fastback silhouette remains iconic, giving the car a coupe-like stance while still maintaining four-door practicality. The new wheels available this year are slightly larger, with aerodynamic designs that reduce drag and increase range. The flush door handles continue to disappear into the body when not in use, a feature that's as much about style as it is about aerodynamics. The side mirrors are now sleeker, with integrated cameras for enhanced autopilot functionality. The overall impression from the side is one of smooth continuity. There are no awkward breaks in the design, just an elegant flow that makes the car look fast even when it's standing still. From the rear, the 2026 Model 3 looks equally impressive. The taillights are wider, giving the back of the car a more planted and commanding appearance. The rear bumper integrates subtle diffusers that help with airflow, improving stability at higher speeds. There's no exhaust here, of course, which only emphasizes that this is a fully electric machine. The trunk space remains generous for its class, with the rear liftgate that opens wide, offering practicality without compromising the design. Tesla has also introduced a subtle rear spoiler that improves downforce, enhancing high-speed stability while still keeping the look clean and refined. Every angle of this car communicates precision and efficiency, a hallmark of Tesla's design philosophy. Interior. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Model 3 feels like stepping into the future. The cabin is dominated by a massive central touchscreen that controls almost every function of the car, from navigation and media to climate control and autopilot settings. Tesla has refined the software further, making it even more responsive and intuitive. The minimalist dashboard is devoid of unnecessary buttons, creating a clean, uncluttered environment. The seats are comfortable and supportive, upholstered in high-quality vegan leather, and there's plenty of headroom and legroom for passengers in both the front and rear. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, and the panoramic glass roof continues to make the cabin feel bright and airy. The integration of Tesla's AI-driven features, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and full self-driving capability, makes the driving experience both safe and futuristic. Voice commands have also improved, responding more naturally and quickly to a wide range of requests. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Model 3 is a true performer. Depending on the variant, the dual-motor all-wheel drive model can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest electric sedans in its segment. The handling is precise, thanks to a low center of gravity provided by the battery placement under the floor. Acceleration is instant, smooth, and surprisingly quiet, as is typical of electric vehicles, but the sense of speed is palpable. The regenerative braking system has been fine-tuned for 2026, allowing for more efficient energy recovery while also giving the driver more control during deceleration. Range has also seen an improvement, with the long-range version now capable of over 400 miles on a single charge under ideal conditions. Charging technology has advanced too, with Tesla's supercharger network supporting faster rates than ever, reducing downtime significantly. Overall, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling twisty roads, the 2026 Model 3 delivers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and practical. Price-wise, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 remains competitive in the premium electric sedan market. The base model starts at around $48,000, which is impressive given the level of technology, performance, and range it offers. The long-range dual-motor variant comes in closer to $58,000, while the high-performance version is priced around $63,000. Considering the ongoing savings from not using gasoline and lower maintenance costs typical of EVs, the overall value proposition is strong. Tesla also continues to offer a variety of software upgrades that can be purchased after delivery, allowing buyers to customize features like full self-driving as their needs evolve. Incentives for electric vehicles may also apply depending on your region, which can further reduce the effective cost. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 Tesla Model 3? It's a car that successfully blends futuristic technology with practical usability. Its exterior design is sharper and more refined than ever, offering a distinctive look from every angle. Inside, it feels like a tech command center, with comfort and functionality thoughtfully balanced. On the road, it's fast, efficient, and responsive, with a driving experience that can satisfy both daily commuters and performance enthusiasts. Pricing remains reasonable considering everything you get, and Tesla's continual updates make the ownership experience dynamic and evolving. If you're looking for a modern electric sedan that doesn't compromise on style, technology, or fun, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 is undoubtedly worth your attention. That wraps up our in-depth review for today on the 2026 Tesla Model 3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Turbo Trendz TV for more detailed car reviews, comparisons, and automotive news. We'll be back soon with more exciting vehicles, so stay tuned and keep your engine or in this case, your battery ready. Thanks for watching.